FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And guys, what we're going to be doing in this video is we're going to be talking about ways that we can improve your trading right now. All right, so I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can improve your trading, the type of mindset that you're going to need in order to get this done. So let's get this started right now here with the 5 ways to improve your trading. So the very first one, guys, is going to be very simple. The market pays you to be disciplined. Now, trading with discipline will put more money in your pocket and take less money out. The one constant truth concerning the markets is that discipline always equals increased profits. All right, so that's 1. Number 2, be disciplined every day in every trade, and the market will reward you. But don't claim to be disciplined if you are not 100% of the time. Being disciplined is, of course, one of the most important things that you can do when it comes to trading. But it's not sometimes a thing that you can just claim to quit like a bad habit. So let's say you drink alcohol, right? And you say, I'm going to quit drinking alcohol. Well, and let's say that instead of actually quitting, to drink alcohol, you drink every once a month or once every 6 months or something of that nature, right? That's not quitting something. That's not being disciplined enough to quit a bad habit that you said yourself that you wanted to quit. Okay. So if you trade with discipline, 9 out of 10 trades, you can't claim to be a disciplined trader. It's the undisciplined trade that will really hurt your overall performance for the day. Discipline must be practiced on every single trade. Always lower your lot size when you're trading poorly. This, to me, this right here makes a lot of sense. But most traders, they do the opposite. When they're trading poorly, what do? They actually up the lot size to try to make up for the losses. All good traders follow this rule. Why continue to lose on 5 lots per trade when you could save yourself a lot of money by lowering your trade size down to 1 lot on your next trade? If I have 2 losing trades in a row, I always lower my trade size down 1 lot. My next 2 trades are profitable, then I move my trade size back up to my original lot size. Never turn a winner into a loser. How many people do you know, and maybe yourself, right? Myself is included in this, by the way, when I first started trading. Never turn a winner into a loser. We have all violated this rule. We've all done it. However, it should be our goal to try harder not to break it in the future. What we are really talking about here is the greed factor. The market has rewarded you by moving in the direction of your position. However, you are not satisfied with a small winner. Thus, you hold on to the trade in the hopes of a larger gain, only to watch the market turn around and move against you. Of course, inevitably, you now hesitate and the trade further diminishes into basically a substantial loss. There is no need to be greedy. It's only one trade. At no point should one trade determine the outcome of your account. You'll make many more trades throughout the week, the month, the year. Opportunities exist in the marketplace all of the time. Just remember that. Stop being greedy. And finally, your biggest loser cannot exceed your biggest winner. You want to keep a trade log of all your trades, something that I preach literally every single time. Okay, so keep a log of all your trades throughout the week, the month, the year. If, for example, you know that so far your biggest winner of the day, let's say, is pound JPY and you've won 50 pips out of that, do not allow a losing trade to exceed those 50 pips. If you do allow a loss to exceed your biggest gain, then effectively what you have done when you net out the biggest winner and the biggest loss is a net loss on the 2 trades, which is not good. So keep these 5 rules, okay, in mind, and they will help you improve your trading, guys. Try these out, all right? Try these out for the next month and see how much your trading will actually improve. All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it brought you some value. If you like content like this, please comment below, let me know, and like and share the content, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next video. Guys, if you need any more help or you like the content that we provide on this channel, come on over to the FXN Masterclass. It's available right now. What you get essentially is a lifetime membership, a full mentoring course, an advanced course. You get the Blue Summit videos, weekly Q&A sessions every Sunday, group session archives, which that by alone has about 100 hours of content, weekly analysis videos, midweek analysis videos, MT4 and MT5 indicators, a customized trading journal so you could actually journal your trades every day, and then a backtesting journal that you can use to backtest and collect all of your data. Not to mention a mentoring private chat, guys. So all the information is in the link in the description if you want to join now. We look forward to seeing you there, guys, and take care of yourselves.